I have been influenced again, and with food, of course. This pickle de gallo. You guys know this exists. Diana Confederate. I love watching her videos. She claims this is good on crackers with cream cheese, so we're doing it. She also said boursin would be really good. I'm gonna use the dairy-free version of some biscuits. This is good on its own. The taste of the cream cheese with it, so good. Truly, pickles. Cucumbers and a brine made from water, distilled white vinegar, salt, yellow onion, red bell pepper, and garlic. Divine. A match made in heaven. I found this at Meijer, Walmart, local grocery store. Time of my life. I hope you guys have the best day. Bye.